Alright, so we're back here with this steel cutoff saw. I am now under the impression that it is a TS700. Judging by the width of the cutoff blade, it holds as a 14 if I'm not mistaken. And the 17s or the 800 is like an 18 or something like that. One has like a 4.5 inch cut, the other's got a 5.5 inch cut, some mess like that. So anyway, we're picking back up where we left off on that. Our handle is pretty much assembled. The only thing y'all didn't get to see is the air filter and the little housing and stuff go on it. And the pulse line, but that's just sticking it through the hole and pulling it with a pair of pliers. Pretty easy. But we are going to rebuild this Recoil, which I'm pretty sure is a aftermarket, but it is getting steel parts put back in it, name brand parts. So here it is. There's no part numbers in it, so, and of course there's no insignia here. I'll turn you around and we're going to tear it apart and put all new pieces in it except for the spring. So here we go. Alright, here's all of our pieces. I got lucky when I found all this stuff that I found a whole kit that come with the Elastastart and all OEM pieces. I got all this for the price that's going to cost me just to get like the cog and these pieces here. I had to get that because that part was missing altogether from it. So here we go. Alright, so that piece comes out. Don't seem to be anything wrong with them dogs. But, like I say, I got all of this for the price of like just that. Hopefully it'll all work together. Go check on Mommy. Hopefully that'll make this aftermarket housing work better. Oh, that's cool. They're also numbered 1 and 2. Okay, so it don't matter how they go in there. Alright. Okay. I got my little helper down here today.
This. Daddy, that's you. That's you, dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. You are the dinosaur.
No, not you. You're dinosaur to me. Say dinosaur.
Say dinosaur. Oh boy. You are something, little buddy. Let me tell you, you are something.
What this? What this? One more.
Yeah, come on. There we go.
Mine needs just to build this.
That didn't work out right, did it?
More.
There's that one. All right. Come on now. There we go. Well, that thing ain't made to shoot screws, and we're not going to do that.
Okay.
Can I have the screws?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I can't shoot screws. It's the end of the world. Trying to keep it in the frame.
My dog says, we're doing I'm not sounding. Why do
Now, shouldn't have no problems with that.
Daddy,
What?
let me got this. Got this, Daddy. Oh, not sounding. Whatever. Sounds good.
What we're going to do is we're going to wind this bad boy up.
Oh. Now.
We get all the cord in it and knock everything else on the floor.
Ow.
Like so.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you later.
See you later. Alright, we're gonna actually back off a little bit more than that because it don't give me enough room to spin it. So that's what we'll do here. Pull that through, that'll give us slack. And it was one rotation with a slack here, so we're probably going to give it 2 or 3 more. So there's that. There's one. Yeah. Two. Oh, come on. I wound it the wrong way. Makes you feel like a doofus, don't it? Maybe you shouldn't try to bite the dresser.
I didn't.
Right.
I stood there for a while.
There we go. Whoops. All right, hold on, y'all. All right. That sound's driving me nuts. I don't like putting lube on these things. That's what it was, wasn't it? Yeah, I stopped it and I took that thing apart and put it back together. And I'm glad that's all it was. It just needed a little bit of oil on it. But man, that thing it's toasted. Hopefully this one don't do it. If I have to, I can put some spacers on it to help it. It looks like we were rubbing on something. No. See you later. And I think that was the clutch, because you don't catch on the flywheel. There we go. Yeah, that's what it was rubbing on, was that. I'll verify that it's not rubbing on it again. That's an easy fix. I can flat sand it, or probably better yet, just put a little spacer or something in there. But there again, we're also using steel parts, so it might be on the up and up now. Alright, so there you have it. Kind of converting the aftermarket to the market. I would assume it is aftermarket because there's no numbers, no insignias anywhere stamped into it that would tell you that it was a steel part. So there we go. We're up and going again. Nice, smooth, and an upgrade. So y'all take care, be good, don't do nothing I wouldn't do, and peace.